Seasonal spring maintenance will help to keep air compressors operating efficiently and minimize equipment downtime due to avoidable issues.
It's as simple as checking the oil and changing the air filter. First, remove the old oil from the compressor.
Proper compressor maintenance is essential in maximizing the value of your substation circuit breaker assets.
Second, add new compressor oil to the fill mark. Use the manufacturer's recommended oil or a high-quality diester-based oil. That's what we recommend. Third, check the air filter and change if necessary. You want to change the air filter if it is gummed up with oil.
Look at the difference. There and there, look at the difference.
Not performing regular oil changes and air filter replacement can lead to serious problems.
This is the suction and the discharge side of this unit. The rings get stuck with the dirty oil, so it floods the suction valves with wet oil because the oil is all gooey and the rings are all stuck. You're losing compression, in other words. So the compression that should be going out, the discharge is going back into the crankcase, putting pressure on the crankcase and just forcing the raw oil that's left up into the tube, into the suction. You haven't changed the oil, it's all gummy. Now when it compresses, you got all this oil vapor on the discharge side where all the heat is, and then you see the charring occurring. That's what you're seeing here. So you get buildup on your valves, and then you also get the buildup on your pistons. So now you don't have air in your receiver, you've got air that's full of spent hydrocarbons. So now when the breaker calls for air, you could also be putting in this into your pilot valve or your regulator. It's going to be feeding your breaker. So now you're going to gook up the system downstream.
Here is a sample of old used compressor oil next to a sample of new compressor oil. It's easy to see the difference. Performing spring maintenance is simple and helps to minimize the chances of failure due to neglected equipment. Following the simple steps we have shared may save you time, money, and frustration. Contact FirstPower for more information about proper compressor and circuit breaker maintenance and products to keep your equipment running smoothly.